In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix unable to authorize please try again error on your TikTok account. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so there are quite a number of reasons why you might be experiencing this problem on your TikTok account. To fix this problem, first go ahead and make sure that you are connected to a stable network and try using this app. However, if that didn't solve, then you want to go ahead and make sure your time and date is correct, and you can check this on your settings, then additional settings, and make sure that the date and time is correct. And the best to do this is to enable set time zone automatically and also use location to set time zone. Once this is done, now go ahead and try opening your TikTok and see if the error has been solved. If you're still encountering any challenge, then you might want to go ahead and check if you are using any VPN on your smartphone. And for that, make sure you go to settings, search for any VPN that you might be using on your smartphone, and then by searching VPN, for my case, I don't have any, but if you have any, you should see it here and you should be able to turn it off. In most cases, now this should fix your problem. However, if you're still experiencing any challenge, then you might want to go ahead and find out if we have an update for the TikTok app. One of the reasons might be that you are using an outdated version of TikTok, and thus it is prone to this error. So if I go to my Play Store, I'll tap on TikTok here, and for my case I don't have an update. Go ahead and update this. In most cases this will fix your problem, but should you still find a challenge, then you might want to go ahead and uninstall this app all at once, and this would go ahead and clear any bugs that might be associated with your TikTok app to fix this error. So by using any of these methods, now you should have your error fixed. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.